creative gems. Welcome to Creativity. How is everyone today? I'm Sandy, and today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful modern chandelier lamp that will add charm and light to any room. To start, I will list out the materials, and unless otherwise stated, all the materials for this DIY is from Dollar Tree or Dollarama. First, we will need two medium-sized hexagon-shaped mirrors. Dollar Tree sells these in both white and black frame. We will also need the base from one of these plastic champagne glasses. Dollar Tree sells them in a 4-pack. We will also need some silver rhinestone ribbon, which I found on Amazon. Alternatively, if you can't find this ribbon, you can choose any other ribbon that you like or simply use some paint instead. For our lampshade, we will be using a wired basket like this one. Dollar Tree sells these in both white and in black. We will also need the stick from one of these solar garden sticks, and we will need a hanging wiring piece from one of these Christmas ornament balls. Now for the best part of this craft project, we will be using these hanging crystal ornaments which I purchased in bulk from Amazon. To help us hang the ornaments, we will be using these ornament hooks. And for a light source, we will need one of these push button LED battery operated puck lights. And as per most of my craft projects, we will also need some Fix-All and some hot glue. My hot glue gun is from Amazon. To begin, we will need to take apart each of the mirrors by removing the cardboard backing. Then, remove the mirror from each frame and set them aside for a future project. Then, using a mini screwdriver, remove each of the tabs from the back of the frame. And while we work on that, I would like to take a moment to thank all the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in to today's craft project. If you are visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future DIY craft videos. Our next step is to use some glue to bind the back of each frame together. For this, I have chosen to use some hot glue as it will dry quickly and give a firm enough hold. To embellish the frames, measure and cut out some strips of silver rhinestone ribbon and glue each strip to each of the 6 sides of the frame on both the front and the back. And take note that since we have a hexagon-shaped mirror, you will need to cut each strip of rhinestone ribbon on a slight slant. Next, take the base from one of the plastic champagne glasses and apply some hot glue to the tip where the stem would be inserted. Then adhere it to the bottom of the hexagon frame as that will become the base of our lamp. Next, take the solar garden stick and remove the solar portion of the stick and set that aside for a future project. Then remove the black stick from inside. We will cut the tip off one end with an X-Acto knife. This part may be a bit difficult, so be patient as you cut through the black stick. If you don't have an X-Acto knife, a mini saw or some good quality scissors may work as well. Once cut, toss the smaller piece aside and reinsert the longer piece back inside the solar stick. This will form the neck of our lamp. Then insert a screw inside the black stick to make a hole, and then remove the screw and set it aside for later. Then using a drill, drill a hole into the center at the top of the hexagon frames. This is where the screw will go into and attach to the solar stick. This part of the craft project may be a bit finicky, so take your time until you get it right. Here you can see the lamp base is really beginning to take shape. And now on to the fun part. We are going to decorate the wired basket and turn it into our lampshade. The ornaments will hang from the basket using the ornament hooks. You can choose to space the ornaments as closely or as far apart as you prefer. Next, we are going to take the wiring from this Christmas ornament ball and insert it into the top center of the lampshade through the little holes. This will help us anchor the lampshade to the solar stick and keep everything together. final step is to adhere the puck light to the top of the lampshade. Some puck lights come with an adhesive on the bottom, but if yours doesn't, or if you prefer an extra reinforcement, you can also apply a bit of hot glue to the bottom of the puck light before adhering it to the lampshade. And here you can see I decided to add a further embellishment to the puck light by adding a piece of diamond-shaped acrylic gem to the top. This step is optional, but of course, I think it adds an extra glam factor to our chandelier lamp. And here's the final look. Comment down below and let me know where you would place this chandelier lamp. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.